ladies and gentlemen, birds and pumpkins. Welcome to the Bird Names Magic Show. Prepare to have your beak blown off. Magician lifts pumpkin. First up, the mighty, the round, the vitamin A-filled. Pumpkin. Ta-da! Say hello to the pumpkin. He lifts, he squawks, he swole. Next up, feathered, fabulous, and probably judging your haircut. It's the one, the only, Parrot, magic. Parrot mimics, magic, magic. And now, for my final trick. Magician holds up phone. Watch closely as I turn your views into tweets. Birds fly out of phone, tweeting sound effect. Boom, social media sorcery, baby. Music ends with a comedic flourish. Follow for more nonsense, and remember, never trust a bird with your secrets.